So this happened.
What window?
Close the window.
Oh my God.
Close it, close it.
I am.
Which was 2 days after this.
What?
What is that noise? And if you didn't see our last video, you should probably go and watch it now. This is a day after our last video. We spent most of that day firstly looking after Jane, who was not well, and secondly trying to find a garage that would help us out. It was getting very late, it was 4:45. Eventually we found a garage that agreed to put it on a diagnostic machine. They found one error code which must be tricking the ABS to lock on when we set off. So we took the chance and decided after a night's sleep we're going to head north. After the sunrise in such a beautiful location near Loch Ness, we decided we're going to head back through Inverness and head up onto the NC500. See how far north we can get today. Billy was performing well, and the only trouble we had was keeping the ducks in because they were desperate to get out and swim. But the scenery was just beautiful. And then we had a massive gust of wind, and this happened.
Woo! Fucking hell!
It took me a few seconds to realise what was happening, but I could hear something flapping in the wind. We were probably lucky not to lose the window completely when these two cranes went past.
Hey? What window?
Close the window.
Oh my God.
Close it, close it.
I am.
The only place we could find to stop was actually in someone's drive. You couldn't make this up. See? You quite literally couldn't make it up. Let's hope it holds until we get to the next civilization.